car's going out. It's making noise. You have to replace it. Hello. Today I'm gonna show you how to take the clutch out on Subaru Outback 2010 6-speed manual. First thing, I'm gonna take the filter box out right here and disconnect the battery. Disconnect here. Take the filter out. Take the clip right here out. I already unlocks. I have the hose right here. Let's take it out. After that, I'm gonna disconnect something over here. The air filter box have to come out. See the clutch line leaking. I need to change that one too. You have to take the starter out. This car, the mount right here. It's easy way to do the clutch. You take the engine out. It's better. If you don't take the engine out, there's nothing to hold. You have to put the bar right here to hold the engine when you take the clutch out. It's an easy way to leave the transmission in the car. Just pull the engine out. It's better. It's only the same, almost the same. Disconnect the bolts behind that clutch. And just take the AC. Let's take the the feed on out. Just take the radiator out. Then just underneath, just take the exhaust out. Some disconnect the gas line and down. You see. Go to underneath the car, you disconnect the catalytic right here. Then you see the bolt number 14 right there, over here, and just top ones over there. They have one over here, and underneath over here too. And then just disconnect the wire right here. The radiator fan. That's the radiator fan. Connect it. Just take it out. And it's the rain and the coolant. Disconnect the hose right here. Let's see how it's going. Pull this lock up. To take the clip, pull this lock right here up. Pull it up and pull it out. Don't pull it down. Pull it down, it means lock. Pull it up. When you suppose look like that, take this right here, there, and that one just hold the starter. It's better to take underneath. Right here, I already take the catalytic out. Right there. We have coils over here too. Now I gotta drain the coolant out. Let's go to the top. What's out? Have to disconnect the ground right here. See, this ground over there. So hold that, and this side too. Oh, I can't leak too. Alright, how to take the gas light out over here. I use the tool to push in that. Just pull in the same time. Just tap right here. And pull in. I have to use one hand, but I already take it out. Just go like that. It's already out easy. You even have a tool like that one, because they have a clip inside, or you can use the screwdriver to lose that. Put it right here. Alright, and then I gotta start it out. Gotta cut slip out. You already lose the bolt, 2 bolts. These 2. Gotta let it out already. Disconnect that. The bolts right here. Gotta disconnect, and right here. Almost out. Let me take the power setting right out. And just take the mouse over here too. Alright, almost there. Now let's disconnect the heater light coolant heater core. Just use that to open first. If you unlock the key and just pull out, turn, pull out. Alright, it's almost there. It's out. To the clutch right here. Shot! It's a bad boy. Almost there. Back. I already got out by himself. The customer don't know how to drive. That's crazy. I guess we're going to alright. Gotta check that out. Make it good, clean. Let's take that out.
Here's the address in case you want to. Your fault.
Now we got a new clutch and the firewheel. This firewheel is brand new. Bearing. To put the pressure pin, got a pin pressure pin. We're gonna get rid of all the press and the bearing. Alright. take that the old one out now.